Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this app that has allowed me to generate an extra $16,000 in revenue in the last 30 days alone. So this is the app right over here. It is called After Sale Post Purchase Upsell. It is available on the Shopify App Store, or you could just click on the link on the description below. Basically what this app does is it boosts your AOV using post purchase offers, and it will also let you edit your thank you page and a lot more. But let's go through the description to see what exactly they have to say. Boost your average order value in minutes using After Sales Post Purchase Upsells. After initial purchase, it will show a post purchase offer that shoppers can accept in one click with no need to re-enter payment information or go through the checkout again. This is really helpful because customers do not have to put in their payment again, and most of the time people are lazy. If they see an offer, they don't want to put in a credit card, but this is a one-click upsell, which is really good. Also, it could boost your customer satisfaction by optimizing your thank you page with reviews, FAQs, cross-sells, and even more upsells. So let's go ahead and check out one of the images right over here. So one-click post-purchase offers create a seamless buying experience for your customers. Just one click and they add the offer to their order. So if you look at this image right over here, this is Feastables. So if you guys don't know, this is Mr. Beast's chocolate brand, and they're also using this after sale app. You can see here it says, Jane, it's not too late to grab one more, grab another for 15% off. Keep in mind, this is all after the customer has already purchased, so it's not going to affect your initial conversion rate at all. If anything, it's just going to increase your AOV. So if the customer presses on accept now, they'll get charged immediately for the second chocolate bar. They don't have to put in their credit card information again. And here's the next thing: create optimized thank you pages. So customize the thank you page with reviews, FAQs, and additional offers to build stronger relationships and generate more revenue. So I do have an FAQ page on my store, but not a lot of people go on that page itself. So it is really helpful that you could go ahead and edit your thank you page with FAQs and even more upsells, just so people will not miss the FAQs. But there's a lot more that you could do. So edit your checkout, optimize offers based on data. Basically, there's a lot more, and you guys could go ahead and check it out. Just go on the app stores, type in after sale, click on. So let me just go ahead and show you the funnel that I used. So right here, if you see funnel, I just named it Kevin Ecom. You can name it anything you want, and $16,000 in revenue. Keep in mind, this is not exactly the last 30 days because I did download this app on August 4th, and today is only August 22nd. So it's around like 20 days or so. So if you do the math, 20 days or so and 16K in revenue, that's around like 1K a day-ish. And also keep in mind, I didn't pay a single dime for this app, and this is all for free just because they have a free 30-day trial. So here's the dashboard, the analytics dashboard. So you can see that I downloaded the app on August 4th, and my upsell number one generated $72, and my thank you page generated $32. And I downloaded this app like closer to midnight, so that's why I didn't register that many sales. But you can see the next day, on a full day of having this app on my store, it generated close to $900, and the day after that 1,000 something, and just every single day after that I just hovered around 1,000. And even on this day, on August 15th, it generated an extra 1.5K. You can check here, my revenue per visit is $2.66, and impressions basically means how many times this upsell has been viewed. And right over here, it means that for every 10 orders that I get, one person will buy an additional product or whatever you want to upsell. So yeah, like I said in the beginning of this video, this also increased my AOV by around $1 or $2, which is a lot because I'm currently at, if you guys want to know here, 16,000 almost today. And if you go back to the day that I downloaded this app, which is on the 4th, you can see a clear difference. So this day was 18,000, but my AOV was only $41. And this was only the first day of downloading the app. But if you see a previous day, it was around the same 41, but after a full day of having the app on, it became 42, and the day right after that, you can see 43. So this app has allowed me to increase my AOV by almost $1 to $2 more, and that is a lot when you're at my scale. I'm currently at like 500 orders a day, and that's extra like 500 to 1K a day. So let me quickly go through my so I could go ahead and show you what I do. So basically, you could select a trigger, so show this funnel to all customers. Basically what this means is that any customers who purchase any kind of order, they'll get showed my one-click upsell and also my thank you page. But if you want to say, let's say you only want people who purchase one product or maybe two products to see your offer, then you can go ahead and click on enable order trigger or even quantity trigger. But for me, I like to show it to all my customers, so I just have this toggled on. And this is my one-click upsell right over here. So this is my product right over here. It's going to be blurred because I don't want to share what I'm currently selling, but basically I offer a 30% discount after a customer has already purchased. They purchase one item, they're going to get shown a upsell offer where it's going to be like, do you want to purchase another one for 30% off? And 10% of the time, they usually click yes. I know a lot of people show a downsell offer. I don't have it because I do show more offers in the thank you page, and I don't want to bombard the customers with different kinds of offers. But this is all I have, just post purchase and a thank you page. I just downloaded this app on one of my stores, so I already have a 30-day free trial, and you can see all the stores that are currently using this app. So Feastables, Good American, there's also Motorola, Daily Sale, Bloom, and just a lot more. I think also the Miami Heats are using this store too. So you can see that Aftersell has made over $100 million for over 7,000 brands, and they have over 500 reviews, and also there's a 500% ROI money back guaranteed. So if you guys don't make any money of this app, you could go ahead and just hit them up for a refund. So it's literally a no-brainer to download this app on your store and just increase your AOV and just offer more to your customers. All right, so once you have downloaded the app, you have to make sure that the setting is enabled. So just go ahead and click on enable setting, and it'll bring you to your setting page. And all you have to do is just scroll all the way down and just enable Aftersell post purchase upsell right over here, and just click save. Now I could go back onto the app and just click on check if enabled, and it should be enabled, and yes, there we go. And the last step is to activate this Aftersell funnel. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the exact funnel that I used to generate a 10% conversion rate on my Aftersell post purchase upsells. So just click on add funnel over here and click on start from scratch. You could use their upsell machine, it's still pretty good, but I like to start from scratch. So here's the next step. So what I did was show this funnel to all customers, but let's say for example you only want to show this upsell to a customer that only purchased one item or maybe 2 items. Then you'll go ahead and click on either order value or just quantity trigger, and there's a lot more other triggers that you could do, but the one that we're gonna go for today is to all customers because that's the highest converting one. So let's go ahead and click on save and next. And here's the post-purchase upsell. So you can add your product over here, and if they accept, you can show them a different product, but if they decline, you can also show them another product. So there's a ton of upsells that you could do. For upsell number 1, I like to choose the product that they have already purchased. So let's go ahead and click on single product, specific product. And this is the water gun right over here that I'm selling. And this is the water gun right over here that I'm currently selling. So click on save product, and let's click on edit offer. So this is exactly how it's gonna look. So the customer is gonna pay for the order, so they paid already, and this pop-up is gonna appear. So it says, Jane, before you go, your order is confirmed, but you can still add the following for a limited time. This doesn't have a discount yet, so we're gonna give it a discount. Let's go ahead and go to upsell product, and let's use an automatic discount of 30%. So basically what this means is that you're gonna offer a 30% off for their second water gun. And usually I like to do free shipping and just leave everything over here the same. So just don't worry about any of these. These are already really high converting copy, so you don't have to worry about any of these. But you can see that there's a lot of different things that you can edit. But one thing that I like to edit after the discount is the text on the top over here, Jane, before you go. So what I like to do here is, Jane, before you go, grab another one for 30% off, and that's pretty much it. You could say grab another one for 30% off for your friends or family, but let's just keep it simple and just do grab another one for 30% off. And if you want, you could create your own description in this pop-up. So if you just click on add widget, so you could add more text, more images, even add a text plus image, or even an extra buy button. So that is pretty much all for upsell number 1. I just offered 30% off for their second item. So if they accept upsell number 1, they'll be shown upsell number 2. And for upsell number 2, I usually like to upsell warranty. So let's go ahead and choose an upsell product and choose single product and specific product over here, and choose 1-year warranty. So it's $5. For the text, what I like to do is basically, Jane, before you go, add a warranty to your order to ensure your water blasters, just like that. And for warranties, I usually don't do any discounts at all, so let's just leave that discount alone. And one other thing that I do to this product is edit the description over here. So instead of don't miss on this offer, I usually like to write something about the warranty itself. So let's go ahead and find it. So it's right over here. So let's get rid of everything and go ahead and put like, ensure your water gun and get a piece of mind if anything goes wrong. Alright, so there you go. That's pretty much all you have to do over here, and just go ahead and click on save. Alright, like I said, I don't usually do downsells, but you could do more downsells if you want to. So basically, if the customer declines this first upsell over here, they'll get showed a different product. So let's say like they don't want to buy a different water gun, you go ahead and just do this warranty instead. So actually, let's go ahead and just do that. So you can do copy existing offer and go ahead and just choose new funnel and upsell number 2 product. Yeah, there you go. It just duplicates over to here. And just to recap, so basically I upsell the same product, and for upsell number 2, I just do a warranty, and for downsell, you could also do a warranty. So you don't have to copy my same exact funnel. You could do a lot of different stuff, and you could even split test to see what works better. So right here, create A/B test, so you can see what does better, and you can just go for that upsell. So another thing they could do instead of warranty is also like priority shipping, and that also works really well. And this is another favorite part of the app that I really like. So it lets you edit your thank you page. So if you just click on edit page, and you can see this is what the customer sees after they'll place the order. If you guys don't know, this is like the default Shopify thank you page, but you can't edit it on any theme. You can only edit it on aftersell. So since 95% of your customers are gonna be coming from mobile, we're just gonna edit it through the mobile view. So you could choose either the left area or the right area, it doesn't really matter. So go ahead and click it and click on add widget. So the first product recommendation that we're gonna do is the same exact product that we're upselling, which is the water blaster. Specific collection if you have a collection, or even other products if you have other products. And for the discount, usually you do the same thing as your upsell number 1 discount. And I turn off the use compare out price because I like to see like the normal 50% off price, and also do free shipping. And also for the text over here, just make sure it says 30% off. And for timers, I usually give them a 10-minute timer to just buy this item, and scroll all the way down. So I usually only display this once per customer. So there we go, and just click on save. And another one, we have one more product to add. So click on product recommendation again and choose warranty. So you choose warranty right here, and we're not going to give any discounts, so let's just keep that at 0. And compare out price is basically non-existent, so let's just go ahead and wait, one more thing, we have to get rid of this too. Just do add a warranty to your order. So there we go, and just click on save. Alright, so another thing that I really like to do is pop-ups right over here. So click on add widget, and basically you can add a site pop-up discount. A limited time offer, thank you for shopping with us. For the next 20 minutes, we would like to offer you additional 25% off any future orders. So what I like to do is change the 25% off again and just do 30%, because I just find that 30% is the highest converting amount. I've split tested this before, but you can go ahead and split test it yourself. So let's do 30% over here. And also for the timer, I like to give them only 10 minutes just to create some urgency. So 10 minutes, and let's change it in the text as well. And also you can see over here the redirect link. So if the person just clicks on accept, they'll get redirected to the hydrotech.com. But let's say you want them to go to your collection page, you'll just do like collection, just like that. Or a product page, a specific product page, you just do products and then slash whatever the handle is. So like I said in the start of the video, you could add a bunch of different stuff. One thing that I also have is FAQs, but for this specific store I don't have it. But if you want FAQs, you can just click on FAQs, and also you can add images, add videos, maybe like a thank you video for shopping with us or anything, and even add text. And you can also add reviews. So cool thing about this is that you don't need any extra apps to write reviews. So it's all embedded into Aftersell's own app. So you can just see right here, let's just do like test 1 2 3. So you can see this review apps looks super cool, and FAQs you can see right here, it looks really cool as well. You give these stars, just click add new review, and it will just become a slider. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this app. I highly recommend you guys to check this out. At least give this a try. It's like a no-brainer to increase your AOV, and also you get 30 days for free, and also there's a money back guarantee. So go ahead and go to the Shopify app store, type in Aftersell, or just click on the link below. And if you guys need any help with your Shopify stores, any more cool tricks and tips, make sure you check out my Discord. It is also linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.